ARMS interacts with every child that goes through our school system. It's really important. You know, that's sustainable. That's planting the eggs and fertilizing it and sending them out into the river.
The Alouette River is located midway up the Fraser Valley in Maple Ridge, BC. Today, ARMS is a multifaceted organization conducting an assessment and monitoring program, liaising with the community, and carrying out restoration projects. However, ARMS is best known for their dynamic and comprehensive education program. They offer a wide range of high-quality workshops and tours to all sectors of their community.
So as a classroom teacher, I have had ARMS come into the school and have the kids participate in all kinds of programs, from worm composting to activities with bugs, creepy crawlies and things like that.
We have tons of classroom programs: Trees of Life, Wacky Weather, Here Today, Gone Tomorrow, the Salmon Scales and Tails, the Waterwise program. Probably our most popular classroom program is our Aquatic Invertebrates program. Our creepy crawlies is what we call them. I mean, again, depending on which grade, and the program varies depending on what age group we're talking to. Another game, this is just one example, but we'll give them these check marks and stuff, and so which one is an amphibian, a toad or a frog, and so it's all very interactive. We make sure the kids are getting out of their desks and up and being part and being active in this learning process, and then the older kids will do a dissection and talk about the insides of the fish. So the kids love it. I mean, it's fantastic. Of course, we got the oohs and ahs, but they really enjoy it.
So we design our games, activities, and crafts where they're learning, but they don't actually know that they're learning.
The instructors that I have worked with have been incredibly knowledgeable. They all have a very firm education or background. So, you know, Bachelor of Environmental Science, Bachelor of Science in Forestry. Some of them also have teaching degrees.
We also do field trips down at the Rivers Heritage Center, anywhere from an hour-long hatchery tour to a full-day watershed education tour.
Within that field trip, we'll also go and do a nature tour in the park, and we'll talk about different things such as a wildlife tree or mushrooms and different funguses that we can find, and the different types of tree that are found in the coastal temperate rainforest, and finish off with a big scavenger hunt that we do. Then also what's available to all of the schools in Maple Ridge and Pitt Meadows is for teachers to come to approach us with any of their learning objectives that they might have for that year, and then we'll work with them and design a course or a series of courses that might be appropriate.
We would also work on projects with school groups. So if a class called into ARMS and they wanted to help restore a part of the environment, we would find a project location for them, we would find a suitable project, and we would help them with it.
They have a real ease about taking kids and educators, teachers who are used to being inside and working out of textbooks a lot, into the out of doors, and in a sort of gradual, very understanding kind of a way, so that people begin to realize that they can still accomplish all the things that they feel that they need to accomplish, and then some, and have kids be completely engaged and focused.
In the spring, the kids themselves are releasing salmon fry into the river. They get to, you know, feel the salmon leaving their hands and going into the water. And what I hear from the parents and the teachers is the kids remember that. It's so important. They get that connection. We do forest walks where the kids are looking at ferns and actually touching the fern and smelling the forest in a way that they never would have thought to before.
In spring and summer, they organize week-long day camps.
So very often in summer camp, and we've had requests for it, and when campers are coming back, is to do the aquatic invertebrates. and we'll take all the campers down. They can watch us in the stream, watch what we do, so they learn the technique, they learn what waders are, they see us in the stream working and see that as, you know, a potential career opportunity that they may never have thought of before. And then they get to spend the afternoon playing and picking out the bugs and trying to figure out which one it is and ask questions, and it's fantastic. But outside of just the school system, the education, we'd love to be able to offer the education program to after school care, to seniors homes, to different, all of the community groups, brownies, scouts, all of them. I mean, everybody can benefit from these education programs.
I mean, it's so important that our children understand what being sustainable really means. And it's, at the end of the day, they'll be the ones leading us. So I think for this community and for many others, ARMS has really done a very, very good job of preparing our children for a sustainable future.